This is a sunblock that we're packing. Most of the sunblocks that we pack are 30. That should prevent us from getting the burn. So that goes in our travel bag. Our toothbrushes. Gotta have toothpaste. Some daytime cold medicine, and God forbid one of us gets sick. Ponchos in case we hit a rainstorm, can't be too prepared. Some bug spray, shaving cream, ginger candies, they're supposed to help with nausea and seasickness. My shavers, eye drops, definitely have to have nail clippers, sanitizer, pack Q-tip, powder, make sure it's closed, deodorant. I always take allergy relief and anti-diarrhea just in case, can't be too prepared. Band-aids came in handy last time, antibiotic, anti-itch, and athlete's foot cream. So you know in the hot weather you develop athlete's foot, it can ruin your trip. Ibuprofen, face wash, and some headache medicine. Dental floss. I take Vaseline, you never know when you need that. I take allergy medicine, and this is lip balm. This is really good. Need that. Cough drops, sinus congestion and pain. I take face cream, another daytime cold medicine, and some all-day pain relief, and shaver, comb and hairbrush. I take my jewelry, my perfume, my medicine, and the Dramamine. I put all that in the medicine bag.
Please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button or click on the frog icon on the video. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified of our future videos. And of course, please click on the thumbs up.
And remember, stay young and have fun.